Often overlooked, the care of our hands is of utmost importance. They're the unsung heroes of our everyday lives, constantly in action. And yet, they seldom receive the attention they deserve. Today, we're shedding some light on a secret beauty routine that can help rejuvenate these hard-working hands, a luxurious milk hand soak. To begin, it's a simple process, requiring only a few cups of whole milk. You'll want to warm this milk, but be sure to keep it comfortable to touch. The warmth is key. It enhances the absorption of the milk's nourishing properties. Once warmed, pour the milk into a bowl, large enough for both hands to submerge completely. Now, the real treat begins. Delve your hands into the warm milk, allowing them to soak in this bath of nutrients. Let the hands rest, soaked in the milk for about 5 to 10 minutes. This is the time when the magic happens. The natural fats in the milk work their way into the skin, hydrating and replenishing the moisture levels. As your hands luxuriate in the milk bath, they're also absorbing the milk's vitamins, A and E, which are known to nourish and promote skin health. And while your hands are reaping the benefits, you're also enjoying a moment of calm, a soothing break from the hustle and bustle of daily life. It's not just the hands that benefit from this milk soak, it's a treat for the mind as well. As you finish, you'll notice how the milk soak has left your hands softer, more supple. The rough, dry skin has been softened, the hands nourished and hydrated. Even any irritation or inflammation has been soothed, thanks to the gentle nature of milk. In summary, a milk hand soak is a gentle yet effective way to pamper your hands. It softens, hydrates, and nourishes the skin, while also providing a soothing and relaxing experience. It's a simple addition to your beauty routine that can make a world of difference. So, take the time to care for your hands. They've earned it. Please like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell for more inspiring content. Thank you for watching.